What if heaven celebrates your smallest steps louder than the world celebrates success? Every win, no matter how tiny, is a seed of consistency that builds confidence and it builds character. I'm going to tell you a story. A woman prayed for financial peace. Every month she tithed. Can you relate? Tracked her spending and she resisted old habits. But she said, it's not working. Her mentor smiled, you're planting, not failing. Celebrate the soil before you see the harvest. That moment shifted her and she began to thank God. After each bill was paid, each temptation resisted, each budget was met, she walked in a position of gratitude. Gratitude turned her process into power, shifted her mindset in such a way that it lifted her spirits, caused her to build endorphins, and it also built her belief. The insight for this is neuroscience literally proves that this works. Celebration releases dopamine and it rewires or wiring your brain to repeat success. Biblically, look at Zechariah 4 and 10, and that reminds us do not despise these small beginnings. And like me, like others, there's Napoleon Hill. He said, enthusiasm is the foundation of progress. When you celebrate small wins, you'll accelerate big ones. Now, the reflection or action statement that you need to take, or you could take if you desire to continue to build your success and your wealth consciousness, is to just take a pause today. Name 3 quiet victories and be thankful for them. And be thankful out loud because gratitude is proof that growth has already begun. Your final call to action is if this spoke to you, completely commit and join the 108-day financial and mindset transformation challenge. Subscribe to Raise Up Nation right here and like and share so others can learn to celebrate progress, not perfection. I am Johnny. I am the Mindset Maven, helping you bridge the gap between what you know and what you do. That gap is action.